This is a step-by-step guide for installing the MRCOOL CoolBlade HVLS Industrial Fan. Step 1 is mounting the fixed seat. Option 1. Set the fixed seat at the bottom of your I-beam and bolt the seat and 2 press plates together, securing it to the beam. Or option 2 is the side-mounted fixed seat. Mark the location of the fixed seat, drill holes to insert the expansion bolts, and tighten securely. Step 2. Install the quick terminal on the down rod. The quick terminal can be found inside the down rod, and screw it in with the provided screws. Step 3. Connecting the down rod to the motor. First, attach the motor connecting plate with the M10 by 80 bolts. Add the safety hangers and pass the M10 by 100 bolts through, and secure the bottom of the safety hanger to the rotating ring on the motor with the nylon nuts. Do not fully tighten the bolts. Everything will get tightened once you level the fan in a later step. And now step 4, attaching the motor to the fixed seat. Lift the motor and down rod assembly and attach it to the fixed seat. Insert the bolts, but keep them loose until final adjustments. Remember, do not fully tighten. Step 5. Prepping the fan blades. Attach each blade tail to its blade and tighten with the tapping screw. Be sure to pull off the plastic of each blade. And now lock the blade tails. Step 6. Installing the blade assembly. Mount each blade to the motor using the 4-hole gaskets and bolts. 2 M12 by 50 bolts go through the blade, motor, and press plate that is shaped like a W. Use the spring washers and nuts to secure. And the 2 remaining holes use the smaller M12 by 16 bolts. Step 7. Leveling the fan. Adjust the motor so it's level and the down rod is vertical. Once it's aligned, tighten all bolts on the fixed seat, down rod, and motor. Step 8. Wiring the terminal. Run the power from the controller to the terminal and connect the motor and power in this order, shown here. Make sure all wires are firmly secured in the terminals. Step 9. Install the connecting rod cover. Step 10. Install the fixed seat cover and lock it with the head screw. Step 11. Installing the steel safety rope. Attach one end of the steel rope to the provided hooks or a good mounting spot in your I-beams with a rope clamp and the other end of the motor's connecting plate. Adjust tension until the rope is straight, not loose, not pulling tight. And finally, step 12, installing the controller. Choose a convenient spot and connect the motor and main power. The motor's 2 yellow cables connect to the OHP, and the red, black, and white cables connect to U, V, and W. Now you can test the fan at a low speed and then bring it up gradually. And that's it. Your MRCOOL CoolBlade HVLS Industrial Fan is installed and ready. Thank you for watching. MRCOOL, comfort made simple.